Please subscribe this Vickytech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates. What's up everyone, this is TSM from Vickytech. Here is the Dell Inspiron 157591 model, which was followed by 7000 series laptop. Well, this particular machine will pack with i5 processor with well price. Make sure to check the below link to see all the different configurations. Out of the box, the laptop itself, power adapter and a charger. Firstly, the build is clean and neat with magnesium alloy, which feels steady and comfort. It fits perfectly in backpack, which is good for students and other businesses. It has a unique hinge. When you open the laptop, the hinge lifts the laptop bottom from surface, which allows good ventilation to make the system cool. Talking about the port selection, on the right side we have seen that micro SD slot, USB 3.1. On the left side we see power adapter port, HDMI, 2 USB 3.1 Gen port and a Type-C Thunderbolt charger, which allows 40 Gbps data transfer rate. The display was very good. It has Full HD, non-touch IPS anti-glare panel. The wide view angle was excellent with 300 nits and 141 pixel per inch. The images was crystal clear and sharp with a color gamut 72% NTSC. I just want to let you know this, the outward visibility was not great but decent. The screen has a 60Hz refresh rate and the response time is 35 milliseconds. The Dell Inspiron 157591 model comes with full-size keyboard along with separate numeric pad. The keyboard typing experience is comfortable and great experience. It has a great tactile feedback. Dell touchpad has a great experience for everyone. It's very responsive, quick and accurate. They use the Windows Precision drivers. Multi-gestures works perfect in this machine. There was a dedicated fingerprint reader. The fingerprint is very responsive and quick. I haven't faced any problem while logging on with fingerprint. It's very accurate and fast. They use a sensor technology capacitive and at a resolution of 500 dpi. The great interesting feature is it has triple drive expandability. Whereas out of the box it has 512GB SSD. We can also add additional storage 512GB Intel Optane storage along with 2.5-inch hard disk drive up to 2 TB. Whereas it has good read and write speed. There are 2 speakers bottom of the laptop. The audio was crystal clear and loud. Talking about the camera, we need to appreciate the Dell company because the old Inspiron series laptops, the webcam was at the bottom of the screen. The people call it as nose cam. But this year, the Dell listens to the customer's voice and they changed the webcam from bottom to top of the screen, which is the great thing. Hey guys, you can check the camera quality of the Inspiron 157591 model. This time they improved the camera. The previous old Inspiron series, the camera quality was bottom, but this time they improved the camera to the top of the side. It uses the CMOS technology. The resolution of the image is 0.92 megapixel and the video resolution it can record 1280 into 720 at the rate of 30 frames per second. Whereas the weight of the machine is 1.87 kilograms including the batteries. Dell Power Management application which allows us to check the health of the battery and also it helps us to extend the battery life. In thermal management you have seen that there was options like optimization, quiet, cooling and performance. You can select any mode on it to increase the battery life and also keep in mind it will impact on the CPU performance. I always recommend you when you are doing editing or any kind of hard games you are doing, any other applications you are using, it's always better to switch to ultra performance. And also keep in mind when you connect to the charger only, the CPU boosts 100%. If the charger was not connected, the CPU doesn't work 100%. So you have seen a lot of lags while playing heavy applications like doing rendering videos or even playing the games. It supports dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity. Hi guys, I just want to let you know the main motto of this new Inspiron 7000 series is especially built for content creators. So hence they use the high performance H series CPUs. The unit I have is 9th generation Intel i5 9300 H series processor with a combination of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050, 3GP GDDR5. The RAM in the box is 8GB DDR4. There was a separate slot to add additional RAM. I have edited 4K videos with Adobe Premiere Pro as well as Camtasia. I was surprised. It was very smooth, lag-free. The rendering is just decent. While editing, the fan noise was decent. I feel little bit of warm under the laptop, which was normal. The most interesting thing is, first time the engineers designed this laptop to open the screen with a single hand. It also comes with improved cooling system with dual fans along with copper wire. Hey guys, finally this is portable machine, lightweight with great performance with lot of changes like improvement in the cooling system, and they shift the webcam from bottom to top of the screen, which is helpful for students, and if you are a content creator or any kind of profession, just go look into this model once. I hope I have provided all the information. If you have any specific questions, please let me in the comment section. I have a small request. If you don't mind, please subscribe this channel and tap on the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you so much for your love, support and commitment. I'll see you very soon with your family. Stay connected. Take care.